We slept all night at the spooky church. I can't say I slept super well at first, mainly because somebody pulled in really, really late and had a headlamp, and I was a bit panicked about whether they were gonna get an axe and murder me, but it turns out they were just going to sleep. Now I'm gonna get up and dressed for my day, and it's a little chilly out. It's like 60 degrees this morning. It's supposed to get warmer. But yeah, maybe I'll walk you through how I start my day. Oh, but my baby. He's so sweet. He's so perky in the morning. I love waking up with him because he's just his very best self after a good sleep. Oh. So this is sometimes my beach dress, sometimes my sleep dress. It's pretty comfortable. Do you like my glasses? Got a whole look going on. Just gonna wipe my face down. I do have a little running water to like brush my teeth and stuff with, and then I'll be getting dressed. Cotton happens to think these are snacks, so that's rude, Cotton. There you go. Maybe he'll get a little bath too. I just can't with this little boy. He's so sweet. Makes it hard to get anything done when he's just being cute all the time. Alright, I'm dressed. I involved some gymnastics in the van, let me tell you. Being treated to a rare sight. I don't wear jeans very often. I wanted to wear this shirt. Hopefully with the jeans it's not so bad, because I'm really sick of little old southern ladies calling me fresh all the time. First I'm like, oh, that's a nice compliment. Yeah, I look pretty fresh. Not a compliment. That's not what they mean. Sorry, I have a body and I exist. I try not to, like, you know, be skanky or anything, but it gets kind of hot during the day, so I don't know. Well, now, there's the van. I think we're gonna go check out the church in the morning light, go see if it looks any different. Probably not, but we won't stay long. I feel like it does kind of hit different in the morning light. It's really beautiful. Just a gorgeous morning. Sun streaming in through the Spanish moss. Beautiful, ancient, almost 300-year church. I was too chicken to come check it out in the dark, I'll be honest. I was spooked enough just falling asleep. Oh, but as you can see over there in the tree, it looks like they have some lights, some spotlights at night. Maybe I shouldn't have been so chicken. But spooky enough falling asleep in the woods without an old haunted church nearby and a graveyard. Anyway, it's been good touring with you. This is a lovely spot. I highly recommend coming by for a visit if you're in the area.